Hi everybody, I'm excited. I just got in the mail the box of goodies for the SimGHOSTS Global Experience 2020. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So we've got a stress bear, an introduction sheet, we've got something to wear, stuff to do, stuff to explore, moulage, very nice. Emery board to help keep those nails looking nice. Very nice, a drink coaster. Place drink here before spinning. Oh, you can also plant this in the soil and it will grow wildflowers. I see a couple of tattoos that are about to be put on. And a Spotify playlist. I can't wait to listen to this while I get ready for the event. Let's use this to help hold everything together. And snacks for the conference. This shirt was pretty awesome and needed just a little bit more. This is just a few of the places that SimGHOSTS has been in their time. I see Texas, Chicago, and international events like Singapore, Australia, and the United Kingdom. This shirt is going places.